Do you like your new gift? Huh? Yeah, look at your new shoes. You've been staring at them the whole time. That's how he's been walking. You won't keep the hat on though. I keep trying. Want to wear the hat? Here, Dada, put the hat on him. Eyes go forward. Look at that! How cute! Aww. He's a little scared of the umbrella. See, also you want to hold the umbrella? He's a little intimidated by it. Here. You want the umbrella? Yeah. He doesn't even notice he has the book bag on.
You don't want to hold this, bud? Yeah, put it in your hand.
You can close it up. Maybe he'll play with it if it's closed. Look at that. It opens and closes. He's like, cool. Ow. Whoa. There you go. That's something you can beat with. Look at you, fashion model.